In this video, I will discuss about stress testing and what is the difference between load and stress testing. We have understood the concept of load testing in last video. The video link is available in description. And we also understood what are key performance indicators in performance testing. Now let's understand stress testing and how it is different from load testing. Performance testing is the general name used for tests to verify that how system behaves and performs in particular situations. Load and stress testing are types of performance testing and used to verify the performance of application when multiple users use it at same time. But the difference between these two testing types is that in load testing, put low load at initial level and increase it gradually up to the maximum limit of application. Means up to the level that application can handle. You can stop the load when application is getting slower or not able to work properly. This way, you can know the maximum limit of application. On the other hand, in stress testing, put the load on application at peak level. Through load testing, you know that your application can handle 1,000 users at a time. So you run the load tests on every new build to verify that after the new changes in build, the application is working fine for 1,000 users. But in stress testing, if you already know that your application can handle 1,000 users at a time, you put suddenly extreme load of 10,000 users for an extended period of time. Means in load testing, we put the load on application below and up to the threshold of breakpoint, which is expected that application can handle easily. In stress testing, the limit of the load is above threshold of breakpoint and increase the load suddenly to verify the application under worst conditions. Load testing is performed when you want to know the performance of application under normal conditions. But stress testing is performed when you want to know the performance during the days of extreme traffic and check that whether the application fails at extreme level of stress or handle it. Like if you have super sale on your site or any festival offers, etc., to ensure that your system remains accessible and working properly under huge demand. You can perform both load and stress testing through automation using Apache JMeter or Load Runner. And on basis of KPIs, you will be able to know the actual performance and compares the expected result with actual output based on defined baseline for particular KPIs. Why should we perform stress testing? Stress testing ensures the security of the system under failures. To know the behavior of application if the system fails with stress testing. To verify that whether the system automatically recovers after failure or not. To improve the application in such a way that it should not crash in any extreme cases. But in case the system crashes on extreme load, then the data should be protected and there is no data loss. By performing it, you will know that due to which components the whole system fails so that you can work on those components. The overall stability of application is checked using stress testing. Thank you so much. Share your feedback in comment section and stay connected for next videos on performance testing.